We are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary as well that many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's break down how you pronounce these words. In American English, it is said urinal, no. Now there is a different pronunciation, which is for British English, that says it as urinal. That's British English, so perhaps the most common pronunciation in the English-speaking world, but the American English say it as urinal, or urinal, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.